Namaste, viewers. It's Wednesday morning, January 29, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5-minute stock market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. The Indian equity market snapped two-day losing streak and gained more than 0.5% on January 28. After closing in red for two sessions, the benchmark equity indices BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 settled in the positive territory on Tuesday. The benchmarks opened strong, recovering from a seventh-month low touched in the previous session. The sell-off was driven by disappointing Q3 earnings, uncertainty over US President Donald Trump's trade policies, China's AI DeepSeek, and persistent foreign outflows. The 30 shares Sensex added 535 points or 0.71% to settle at 75,901. Similarly, the NSE Nifty 50 settled in the green at 22,957 with gains of 128 points or 0.56%. 28 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 settle in the green, with gains led by Bajaj Finance, Axis Bank, Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finserv, and HDFC Bank. Sun Pharma, Hindalco, Britannia Industries, Bharat Electronics, and Grasim, on the other hand, were among the 22 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 that ended in the red with losses. Among the broader markets, Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 indices ended down by 0.51% and 1.81% respectively. Banking stocks stole the show in the sectoral markets, buoyed by Reserve Bank of India's liquidity boosting measures that spurred hopes of a potential rate cut in February. India's central bank announced measures on January 27 to inject liquidity into the banking system, including bond purchases and dollar to rupee swaps, which analysts believe could be a precursor to a February rate cut. These moves, estimated to inject 150,000 crore rupees into the system, follow months of liquidity stress that had pushed short term borrowing rates high. Rate sensitive stocks such as HDFC Bank and Axis Bank surged 3% and 4% following the news. LIC Housing Finance, Bajaj Finance, and M&M Financial Services also gained between 1 to 5%. Greed and fear has increased the weightage of HDFC Bank in its portfolio to 4%. Meanwhile, tech stocks drew attention following the debut of DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup offering a low cost alternative to ChatGPT. The company's use of cheaper chips and smaller data models has raised questions about the sustainability of current AI related demand projections. Shares of AI driven electronics manufacturing services, EMS, firms like Dixon Technologies, Kane Technology, NetWeb Technologies, and MIC Electronics tumbled yesterday. In the US overnight, the world's largest technology companies climbed after a sell off that shook global markets, with traders gearing up for the start of the mega cap earnings season and the Federal Reserve decision on rates. Equities rebounded, with the S&P up 0.92% to 6,067 and the Nasdaq 100 rising 2.03% to 19,733. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 136 points to 44,850. Brent crude is $77.58 a barrel. Gold is rupees 80,700 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 91,320 per kilogram. Today's outlook for the Indian market. From a technical standpoint, there have been no significant developments in the Nifty 50 index, but the support near the sloping trend line of a falling wedge seems to have its significance. It has formed a doji candle on the daily charts, which suggests indecision among the market participants regarding the direction of the trend. On the levels front, 22,800 is a crucial support zone on an immediate basis, and on the flip side, 23,100 to 23,150 is the intermediate hurdle. This 6 day trading week is bookended by two crucial events: the US Federal Reserve's rate decision on January 29, that's today, and India's union budget on February 1, Saturday. While the Fed is unlikely to cut rates significantly, the market's focus has already shifted to the domestic fiscal roadmap. Stocks to watch today: Bajaj Auto, Mahindra Finance, Suzlon, JSW Energy, GMR Airports, BHEL, Ami Organics, Colgate, Denta Water, PDS, Exide Industries, Home First Finance Company India, Bharat Heavy Electricals, Bosch, Motilal Oswal Financial Services, Lurch Avenues Technology, Mahanagar Gas, UTI Asset Management Company, Som Distilleries and Breweries, SBI Cards and Payment Services, Piramal Pharma, and VIP Industries will be in focus on January 29. That's today. That's it from me for today. I will see you again on tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.